Tolak main doon ng chili. Pero nangoni kaya rawun siya may pinakormera. Ano daw umuruwi nga? Anyway, sa rawun di kaya rin so.
Aspect sa ba? Yung nangolaro to bitin to budget na
Sa ko lewa ko gusto makanalo rio.
Iya.
Ako na sisipira na ko na sa ganyan.
Yeah, the Pio's brought us up into Nakoro, up into the Highlands in Fiji. We've gone to Draubuta and had a look at the issues we've got down there, and now we're situated at Nakoro. Pio's asked us to see if we can assist with the Draubuta and Nakoro access. This will help the DO to deliver some of the projects they want to do for the community. So we'll be looking at that in the next month or two and assist the DO wherever we can. No, we're looking to get a bulldozer up here probably during May. I'll get the contractors to give us some estimates and make sure that we can get into that promptly. But yes, this road has been neglected for many years before FRA was established, and FRA has already been up here in the last couple of years, slowly, progressively upgrading and making that access more easily for the RSLs. So the push now from Draubuta intersection through Nakoro was all part of that upgrading process.